and action. Hi Plonkers, Daft Scots here, and today I'm going to chat to you about the A to Z blog challenge that's happening during the month of April this year. Now, if you go along to the website that I post below, you can check out what the A to Z blog challenge is all about. Now, this is the 4th year that I will be taking part in the A to Z blog challenge, and I can't wait to see everybody's themes. Last year, my A to Z blog challenge theme was all things Scots. Now, as you can see from the flag behind me, it's going to be all things South African, or South Africanisms. Day 1 is obviously the letter A, and so it carries on through the month until we get to the letter Z. I can't wait to see everybody else's theme reveals, so I'll see you during the month of April. Be sure to pop by my blog, www.gillianhafer.blogspot.com, and check out my A to Z challenge blog posts. I think that's about it for now. Cheers for now, Plonkers. Bye!